kung gusto mong magkaroon ng impeachment muli si VP Sara, i-refile mo uli yan. But the Constitution says you cannot file another impeachment case against the same official within a period of 1 year. So, fast forward po natin. Pagdating po ng July, 4th Monday of July, na-organize na po yung Kamara. May speaker na, meron ng mga officialis, Secretary General, Majority Leader. Yan yung mga importanteng mga posisyon na kailangan ma-approve kagad para makapagtrabaho. Tapos, syempre, ayan na, Chairman ng Committee on Justice. Importante po yon dahil most likely siya magiging head ng prosecution panel ng House. So itatalaga nila yan, gagawin po nila yan. Ang question ba, itong bagong membro ng Kongreso, itong Kamara de Representante, na magtatalaga ng mga prosecutor to be headed more particularly by the chairman or chairperson of the Committee on Justice, pwede ba nilang i-prosecute yung impeachment case na isinampa ng dating Kongreso? Hindi pwede, mga minamahal na kababayan. Kasi yung impeachment case na kanilang isinampa, ginawa po yan ng papaalis ng Kongreso, yung dating Kongreso. And all pending matters in the House of Representatives, bills, resolution, or any other matter for that purpose, including the impeachment case that was filed, transmitted, and referred to the Senate of the Philippines, is a pending matter that is also considered automatically terminated when Congress goes in recess sine die on June 30. Kaya itong bagong Kongreso, hindi siya pwedeng mag-prosecute ng isang bagay na non-existent na. Wala na yun eh. Ano pag i-prosecute mo kung yung dating isinampa ay wala na? Dahil yung final na impeachment case, ang nagsampa po niyan ay yung dating Kongreso. So you cannot prosecute something that is already non-existent pursuant to the rules that the House of Representatives is not a continuing body, it's not a continuing institution, and all pending matters in the old Congress are automatically terminated. Kaya nga po, yung mga nakapinpin na mga panukalang batas po dyan, kailangan mong i-refile muli. Lahat ng mga resolutions, kailangan mong i-refile muli. The same case, the impeachment case that was filed by the old Congress and referred to the Senate was a product of the old Congress. Then you have to refile it. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng impeachment muli si VP Sara, i-refile mo uli yan. But the Constitution says you cannot file another impeachment case against the same official within a period of 1 year. Within a period of 1 year from the time that the impeachment case has been officially acted upon. Hindi pwede. So maliwanag po yan. Yan ang aking opinion, legal opinion. At ipaglalaban ko po yung legal opinion na yan. As a taxpayer myself, bilang isang mamamayan na nagbabayad ng buwis, sa bawat bili ko po ng gasolina, sa bawat bili ko po ng kape na iinumin ko, o sa bawat bili ko po ng bottled water na iinumin ko, o sa bawat subo ko ng bigas na napakamahal, nagbabayad po ako ng buwis. So I can defend this and file the necessary action if and when this new Congress will keep on insisting to prosecute an impeachment case that was filed by the outgoing Congress of the Philippines, or fast forward, the old Congress of the Philippines. So yan po yung aking opinion patungkol po dyan.